Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Crypto Computer Man. Today I'm going to be tearing down this PlayStation, I believe it's a PlayStation 1 GameShark controller, or not controller, USB, game cartridge, whatever. Looks like it doesn't have any fill-up, so I'm just going to try brute force and just pops right open. Here we go. What have we got in there? See if I can get a good angle on this. Looks pretty basic. I remember back in the day you had to have the CD and you had to have this unit at the same time. There we go. Actually, it looks pretty basic compared to the rest of everything else. Wonder why they put that way up there. Maybe it got really hot or something? Interesting. Now, if anybody can tell me, I'd be interested. Like, this is a capacitor, right? Trying to get the number off that. I'll just read it to you. It says, looks like it says AE120.000. So yeah, that's what we got going today. Actually, I'm just throwing this thing in because I don't have the disc. Again, you had to have this memory unit, then you had to have the disc. And that's just how she goes. Anyways, like, subscribe, like this kind of stuff. Always appreciated. Have a good one, folks.